Hello everyone. He stole my pen. They robbed a very rich businessman. You must be thinking, what's wrong with me? That we can think later on. Right now, what we have to think is the difference between rob and steal. Why in first sentence I used the word stole, whereas in the second sentence I used the word rob. So let's begin today's class. Steal and rob, they both have same meaning. Meaning is to take something from someone without their permission. Then what is the difference? Difference is in the context where we have to use it. We can't use these words interchangeably. Okay? So let's firstly understand the word steal. Steal is a verb, means an action, and thus it has three forms: steal, stole, stolen. Steal, stole, stolen. Now, where do we have to use this word? When we focus on the object which has been stolen. When we talk about the object that has been taken by someone without permission, then we have to use this word. Remember, when we talk about the object, for example, think. Okay, let's go to the first sentence that I mentioned. He stole my pen. Okay, so focus is on pen. He stole my pen. Focus is not on me. Focus is on the object. And when we focus on the object, or when we talk about the object, we have to use the word steal, or its second form stole, or its third form stolen. Fine. Let's take one more example. A thief has stolen his bag which had a lot of cash. Now we are focusing on the bag which had a lot of cash. So we have used the word stolen here, third form of steal. Okay, now let's move to the word rob. Rob is also a verb. It's an action. Its three forms are rob, robbed, robbed. Again I'm saying rob, robbed, robbed. Simple. Now, where we have to use this word? When we focus on the victim, please keep this thing in mind. When we focus on the victim, not on the object, then we use this word rob. Again, let's go back to the second statement that I mentioned. They robbed a very rich businessman. They robbed a very rich businessman. Here we are focusing on the rich businessman, not on the object. Let's take one more example. Two of them have conspired to rob a bank. Two of them have conspired to rob a bank. Here the victim is bank. So we are not talking about the objects, we are talking about the victims, and hence we have used the word rob. Here I want to give you one bonus tip. And the bonus point is, when we talk about home, we should use the word burgle. B-U-R-G-L-E, burgle. For example, the thieves burgled the house when occupants were out of town. The thieves burgled the house when occupants were out of town. So, when we talk about home, we can use the word burgle. Otherwise, use steal when talking about object and use rob when talking about the victim. Isn't it simple? If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section. This is Anushri signing off. Thank you.